Hello, my name is Obat Salama and I'm studying aerospace engineering at Politecnico di Torino.
Hi, I'm Francisco Grandi from Turin. I'm a student of management engineer at Polytechnic of Turin.
As we all know, students are always having problems with socializing and forming groups inside the community. This directly affects their performance and grades because some of them are a little bit shy and can't ask other students for help. So that's where our idea comes handy.
The idea is very simple. It's an application through which you can organize your study session in a very easy way. First of all, you need to register. Second, you need to create your session and say when and where. It can be also online. Third, you have just to wait for people, students on the application to join you. But not everyone will be accepted because in order to make everyone on the same level do the study session, we ask to the student at the moment of registration, the study course, the enrollment year, and the most recent grades. Also, in the application, there will be a feedback system to find your best study mate.